What is long-term investing? Why you should consider becoming a long-term investor, and how you should do it in 2 ways. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Miguel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to this channel, well, I'm Miguel, and I will post videos every single week about the real estate market, the stock market. So if that is something that interests you, please don't forget to click that subscribe button if you end up liking my kind of content. And yeah, guys, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, what is long-term investing? Well, in a very short manner, it is when a company or an investor buys and holds its instruments for a period of at least a year. And when I say instruments, I mean stocks, ETFs, REITs, commodities, all of that. And when an investor buys and holds its instruments, they go up in value in the long run. So basically, it is to gradually build your wealth throughout an extended period of time just by buying and holding these instruments, which is just amazing. So now that you know what is investing, what is long-term investing, let's go into the part of the videos of why you should consider becoming a long-term investor. Well, there's 3 main reasons why. The first reason is time. And time, as we know it, it is really important in our lives. And when investing in the stock market, well, time is our friend. We don't have to put so many hours when investing in the stock market, which is just amazing. The only 2 tools you will need is patience and a basic amount of knowledge of how to perform fundamental analysis and how the market works. In case you don't know what fundamental analysis is, it's basically when you look at the company's statements, cash flows, and at the company's real value, so you can determine if that company is actually worth investing or not. And this does not require a huge amount of time, not as much as what day traders have to put in, not as much as they have to put in their work, none of that. And so basically, if you're a person that doesn't have that much time throughout your day, you have your 9 to 5 job, and when you get home, you're really tired, you don't want to spend that much time in front of your computer, well, investing might be a good choice for you because it does not require that much time. Oh, you guys are gonna love the second reason. Now, when you're investing, your risk, when you're an investor, your risk is way down here and your reward is way, way up here. And why is that? Because, well, when you're investing in the stock market, you're investing in the long run. And in the long run, the stock market always goes up. Now, in short term, the market is really volatile. Today it might go up, tomorrow it might go down. It is very volatile. We don't know when it's going up, when it's going down. But what we do know is that in the long term, it will always go up. So that is why investing is so great. You don't need a lot of time, and risk to reward is also minimal. Your risk is really low and your reward is really high, which is always great. Now, let's go into the third reason why you should consider becoming a long-term investor. Now, the third reason, oh, you guys are going to love this, trust me. You can get a 10% annual return just by doing almost nothing, which is just amazing. You don't do almost nothing and you get 10% annual return. That is just amazing, because when investing in the stock market, you don't have to be smart. You actually don't have to be smart, and you can get 10% annual return. What you do need, though, is the basic amount of fundamental analysis. You need to know how to perform fundamental analysis and patience. That's it. That's it, guys. And when putting all this money to work for you, in the future, you will have a great amount of money for retirement, for example. And guys, that is just amazing. You're getting 10% annual return without even putting that much work, which is always appreciated. Okay, well, Miguel, that is amazing. I want to know more. Tell me, how should I do it? How can I do it? Well, basically, there's 2 ways you can do this. And the first way, you kind of look at the passive investor side, and the other way is the active investor side. So basically, the passive investor only needs two things, which is patience and the basic knowledge. And when you're a passive investor, you can get 10% annual return every single year. So guys, just to put this into perspective, 10% annual return. Now, let's say you have an initial deposit of $1,000 and then you put $300 every single month. At a 10% interest rate, in 34 years, you will become a millionaire, which is always appreciated when doing nothing. Come on guys, 10% annual return rate, you'll be a millionaire in 34 years, and you're only putting $300 monthly, which is always great, guys. Now guys, let's look at the active investor side. Well, you will need three things: patience, hard work, and education. Now, why do I say education? Because if you want to boost those returns to 15% or 20%, you will need education. Guys, you will need to combine technical analysis and fundamental analysis together. And by doing that, you need to have more knowledge. And in case you don't know what technical analysis is, it basically consists of technical indicators, candlestick patterns, all of which would help a trader know when to enter a stock, know when to go long with it, when to go short with the stock. It would help traders tremendously. But now you can combine them both with knowing more. Now guys, let's compare it to the previous example. If you had 1,000 as a principal, then if you had $300 every single month at a 15% interest rate, you'd be a millionaire in 25 years. $1 million in 25 years at a 15% interest rate. And in 34 years, you would actually have $4 million. It would come down a little bit short, but it would literally be $4 million, which is just amazing. Now guys, if you guys are getting interested about this topic and you want to know more, you can check out my past YouTube video in case you haven't seen it yet, in case you're new to this channel. And in that video, I talked about how to get more streams of income, and it's also based on what I said about the active investor. And it will teach you how to allocate your money, how to put your money in the stock market, and a strategy, and which is also great, guys. You need to check out that video. You guys need to check out that video. It's my first video on this channel actually, and guys, just go and check out this video. And yeah guys, if you end up liking my content, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon notification. And please guys, leaving a like is always appreciated, guys. When I put so much work into these videos, I really appreciate it, guys. And yes guys, if you have any sort of questions, please ask them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Now guys, this was the video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.